the best way to start a video. I'm eating an egg that I've just made for this video. 1 second. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a DIY decor for Easter. It's very, very simple, and there's also some non-baking cakes in there as well. One which I'm eating right now because I just couldn't resist. But I'm going to talk you through how I've done my table for Easter, how to make these super simple cakes, and yeah, it should be good fun. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with some Easter nests because they're super duper easy, and I'm not the best at baking, so I thought this would just be kind of fun, and they look really effective for Easter. So all you're going to need are some mini eggs, some chocolate for melting or melting chocolate, wheat, and then just some cupcake cases. So this, fingers crossed, should be quite easy, so let's get making. Okay, so start off by shredding your shredded wheat, and then we're going to put our chocolate over a pan and melt it until it is a beautiful creamy consistency and lovely and melted. And then we're just going to pour that over the shredded wheat like so, before mixing it all together into a wonderful chocolatey, nesty, shredded consistency. Beautiful. Now we need our cake cases, so just spread those out over your table, and then we're going to start decanting the chocolate nest material into the cake cases, and then use the back of a spoon just to press down and make an area to put your lovely little mini eggs. I put 3 in each one, and they should look something like this and take 2 hours to chill in the fridge. Next up, I'm showing you how to make these really simple Easter bunny napkins. And for this you'll need some napkins, obviously, some twine and some eggs to paint, and a colour of paint of your choice. I spray painted mine until they looked like this, and then I just used a permanent marker to draw on the names of my guests for Easter dinner. You're then going to take your napkin and you're going to fold it diagonally across, and then the point in the middle you're then going to fold back on itself into the centre of the napkin, turn it around, and then just fold your napkin slowly up into 2 sections. Again, you're going to then fold your napkin up, and this is where your egg will sit, in the centre of your napkin. And you just basically wrap the napkin round to the top of the egg, and this is how the ears are formed. And to keep it all secure, I'm just using some twine that I'm just wrapping around to secure the napkin around the egg, and also to form the bunny ears. It's a really, really simple DIY, but I think it looks really effective for Easter and just makes a nice little touch for any Easter dinner. Okay, so next up to show you, I have my centrepiece for the table for Easter, and I have a vase which I'm going to have real flowers in, and then I'm going to make like a centrepiece with this foliage. I've got some faux eucalyptus, some leftover eggs from the napkins, some other eggs that didn't quite go to plan, but I thought they would look kind of nice nestled in with the flowers. I've even got an old headdress from a festival. I thought that could kind of work, and then just some various sort of flowers and bits and pieces. So I'm just going to work them all around this vase here, and hopefully fashion some kind of nice, easy Easter decor, and something that will last as well. I'm not very good with like proper flowers and things like that, so I thought this would just be a very quick and easy way to make something look quite effective, but really simply as well. So let's have a go, shall we? So starting off with my vase in the centre, I'm just using some of the faux eucalyptus and gently bending the ends, which are wire based, around the vase to make the bulk of the floral centrepiece before putting my headband around, just to again add some different elements to the centrepiece. And then I've just used some eggs and various different flowers to decorate round, just sort of randomly, before adding in my real flowers in the middle and arranging them like so. How I am getting Easter ready this year. They're quite simple, straightforward DIYs, but I think they look quite effective and people will appreciate them for Easter. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and all that jazz, and share it with your friends, and let me know what you're doing for Easter as well. And I will see you very soon. Bye!